footboards appear in Seoul subway stations. Subway stations in Seoul will have automatic safety footboards installed on their platforms. Over the next 2 years, they will be installed in 72 stations to prevent accidents. These flipboards fill the space between the platform and the train. They appear when the platform's green doors open. People can step on them to get on the train safely before the gap between the platform and the train caused many injuries. Seoul subway stations had 309 accidents in the last 5 years.